The Slayton family has always been the center of attention on TLC's hit reality series 1000 LB Sisters, but recently, fans are buzzing over Amy Slayton and her sister Mishti after new photos surfaced online showing both women looking noticeably slimmer and healthier than ever before. For years, Amy has been in the spotlight alongside Tammy Slayton as they documented their intense journeys with obesity, surgeries, lifestyle changes, and the struggles of everyday life while trying to shed pounds. Mishti, on the other hand, has not been featured as much on the show, often appearing in the background or in supportive family moments, but the latest updates from fans who met them in person show a side of both sisters that viewers have rarely seen before. The images, which quickly spread across fan pages, Reddit threads, and Facebook groups dedicated to the show, highlight an impressive transformation that many fans are calling inspiring and motivational. Amy Slayton's journey has been particularly emotional for viewers who watched her not only take control of her health but also start her life as a mother. After undergoing weight loss surgery in previous seasons, Amy managed to drop a significant amount of weight, though her progress slowed down after giving birth to her two young sons, Gage and Glenn. Many fans sympathized with her struggles as motherhood, stress, and the pressures of reality TV made it difficult for her to stay consistent with diet and exercise. But now, judging by these latest pictures, Amy appears to have gotten back on track, with a noticeably slimmer frame and a brighter smile that fans say reflects her new confidence. Mishti Slayton, often described as one of the quieter siblings, has rarely been at the center of dramatic storylines, but she has consistently been vocal about supporting both Amy and Tammy. Mishti herself struggled with weight-related issues and even shared her concerns about her own health during past episodes of 1000 LB Sisters. While her weight loss journey was not as heavily documented as her sister's, fans are now seeing results that prove Mishti has been working behind the scenes on her own transformation. Her latest pictures alongside Amy and fans during a recent public outing shocked many viewers who weren't expecting such a significant change. Social media reactions have been overwhelmingly positive, with comments flooding in such as, "Mishti looks amazing," and "I barely recognized Amy, she looks so healthy and happy." The timing of this transformation couldn't be more perfect, as many fans believe the sisters are proving that the Slayton family as a whole is making progress. Tammy Slayton, once weighed over 700 pounds, has been widely praised for her own dramatic weight loss journey following bariatric surgery and rehab. Now, seeing Amy and Mishti also thriving in their own ways has left many longtime viewers feeling proud of the entire family. It's clear that while Tammy's struggles have been at the forefront of the show, the ripple effect has touched her siblings as well. Mishti, Chris Combs, and Amy all appear to be taking their health more seriously, and fans are calling it a family-wide glow-up. One of the biggest talking points surrounding Amy's recent pictures is her face. Fans pointed out that her face has slimmed down considerably, giving her a more defined jawline and cheekbones. Her choice of outfits has also changed, with more fitted clothing that accentuates her progress. On the other hand, Mishti has been praised for her radiant smile and newfound confidence that many say they haven't seen before. Fans who got to meet the sisters in person said they were incredibly kind, gracious, and excited to interact with viewers of the show. These encounters only added to the positive buzz as selfies quickly circulated online. Another reason this transformation is making headlines is because of the inspiration it provides to fans who are also struggling with weight loss. 1000 LB Sisters has always been more than just entertainment, it has become a source of encouragement for people facing similar health battles. Viewers have admitted that watching Amy, Tammy, and Mishti work through their challenges has given them motivation to take steps in their own lives. The latest updates reaffirm that even when progress slows or setbacks happen, it is still possible to get back on track and make long-term changes. Critics of reality TV often argue that these shows exploit personal struggles for ratings, but in this case, the Slayton family's openness about their journeys has had a profound impact. Amy has repeatedly been candid about her struggles balancing motherhood with weight loss, and Mishti has admitted that she worries about her health as she ages. By showing their progress in real time, they are breaking down stigmas and proving that transformation is possible at any stage of life. Fans have even gone as far as to say that the sisters deserve recognition beyond the show, as their stories continue to spread hope far beyond the TLC audience. Another element fans are talking about is how the sisters' weight loss might affect future seasons of the show. With Tammy's dramatic transformation already making headlines, the addition of Amy and Mishti's progress could change the entire dynamic of 1000 LB Sisters. Producers may choose to highlight Mishti more prominently in upcoming episodes, as her recent physical changes are bound to intrigue viewers. Fans have long requested more screen time for Mishti and Amanda, believing that they add balance to the drama-heavy storylines between Amy and Tammy. With Mishti now showing a noticeable transformation, it would not be surprising to see her story become a larger focus moving forward. The pictures also sparked speculation about what methods the sisters are using to slim down. While Amy previously had bariatric surgery, it's unclear if Mishti also underwent any kind of procedure. Some fans speculate that Mishti may have opted for surgery as well, given her past discussions about hair LTH concerns, while others believe she has simply made lifestyle changes behind the scenes. Regardless of how they achieved it, the end result is being celebrated by fans who emphasize that every bit of progress deserves recognition. Amy, meanwhile, seems to be embracing life with a new energy. As a mom of two, she often shares sweet moments with her kids on social media, and fans have noticed she looks happier and more confident than ever. Many believe that her weight loss has given her the stamina to keep up with her boys and be more active in their daily lives. Viewers have often rooted for Amy because of her resilience, and seeing her look healthier now is exactly the kind of update fans were hoping for. Mishti's progress also sends an important message about perseverance. Even though she was not a main star, her journey resonates deeply with viewers who understand the difficulty of making changes without the constant accountability of being on television. By seeing Mishti look slimmer and more confident, many fans are reminded that quiet progress can be just as powerful as the more publicized journeys. Her transformation is being described as underrated but inspiring, with fans urging TLC to shine a bigger spotlight on her. In conclusion, Amy and Mishti's latest pictures are more than just casual fan encounters, they represent a turning point in the Slayton family's legacy. For years, the family was known for their health struggles, setbacks, and frustrations. Now, the narrative is shifting toward hope, transformation, and resilience. As Amy and Mishti show off their slimmer frames, the online world is buzzing with positivity, encouragement, and admiration. Whether or not their journeys are highlighted in future episodes, their impact is already undeniable. They are living proof that progress is possible, that setbacks do not define the outcome, and that the journey toward health is worth celebrating every step of the way. Fans continue to cheer them on, and the latest photos will no doubt go down as a major highlight in the ongoing story of the 1000 LB Sisters universe. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.